Hello students, let's start our exercise number 30. Subtraction. We have already studied about subtraction of like fraction. In this exercise, we'll study subtraction of unlike fractions. So how to solve subtraction of unlike fraction. Question number 1. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. Now this is unlike fraction. Why? Because denominator is different. Here is 2 and here is 3. Denominator of both the fraction is different. So what do we do first? We take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. First take the LCM with the lowest number. 2 ones are 2. Write 3 as it is. And with the 3 ones are 3. So we have 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So we have a common denominator now, 6. What do we do now? We have a number 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. You have to replace that and with the minus sign. We have a common fraction now, 6. Now 6 goes in 2's table. Here 6 goes 3 times in 2's table. 2 3's are 6. Now multiply that 3 with 1. 3 1's are 3. Keep the sign same. You have to keep the sign same. Put a minus sign here and then 6 goes in 3's table. Yes, 2 times 3 2's are 6. Multiply that 2 with the numerator and your numerator is 1. So 2 1's are 2. Then 3 minus 2, 1 upon 6. So your answer is 1 upon 6. You cannot write it as only 1 or as only 6. You only have to write it as a 1 upon 6. But if there would be an answer like 6 upon 1, then you can also write it as 1. But if there is a 1 upon 6, then you have to write it as only as 1 upon 6. You cannot write as 1 or only 6. Now next question. Question number 9. We'll solve question number 9, which is 17 upon 16 minus 11 upon 24. So this is also unlike fraction. What do we have to do? We have to first take the LCM. LCM of 16 and 24. So first take LCM 16, 24. Let's start with the lowest number 2. 16 goes in 2's number 8 times. Then 2 8 is 16. And this is 12. Again with the 2. 2 4's are 8. 2 6's are 12. Again with the 2. 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6. You can also go again with the 2, 1 and 3. Then now with the 3, 1 and 1. So your LCM is LCM of 16 and 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You have to multiply all the numbers. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16 and 16 3's are 48. So your LCM is 48. Now you got the denominator, common denominator. You have numbers 17 upon 16 minus 11 upon 24. You got the denominator, which is 48. 48 goes in 16's table. Yes, 48 goes in 16's table 3 times. Now you have to multiply that 3 with the numerator, and here numerator is 17. So 17 into 3. Put the sign same, put the minus sign, and 48 goes in 24's table 2 times. Then multiply that 2 with the 11. 11 into 2. Now you got 17 into 3, 51, minus 11 into 2, 22 upon 48. Your answer is 29 upon 48. So your answer is 29 upon 48. Your next question, question number 13, which is 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. Now this is mixed number or mixed fraction. First we have to change it in improper fraction. How do we convert it? We have to multiply 3 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. In the same way, we have to also convert this fraction, 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Now we got 4 3's are 12. 12 plus 2, 3. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 upon 4. Second one is 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 2. Now we get two fractions, 15 upon 4 and 5 upon 2. 15 upon 4 and 5 upon 2. You have to take LCM. LCM because this is unlike fraction, and in unlike fraction we take the LCM. 4 and 2. Let's start with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Again 2. Now LCM of 4 and 2 is LCM of 4 and 2 is equals to 2 into 2 is equals to 4. What is the LCM? 2 2s are 4. So we have our first fraction 15 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2. 15 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2. We also have a common denominator which is 4. We also have LCM which is 4. 4 goes in 4's table, which is 1 time. Multiplied at 1 with the 15. 15 into 1, 15 minus. 4 goes in 2's table. Yes, 4 goes 2 times in 2's table. 2 multiplied at 2 with the 5. 5 into 2, 10 is equals to 5 upon 4. Your answer is 5 upon 4. Now question number 21, which is 3 minus 2 1 by 8. First we have to change it in improper fraction. This 3 is a whole number. You have to change it in fraction by putting 1 in the denominator. Minus. Now change it in improper fraction means 2 into 8 plus 1 upon 8. 3 upon 1, keep 3 upon 1 as it is. 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17 upon 8. Now the LCM is 8. Now you got the number 3 upon 1 minus 17 upon 8. Your LCM is 8. 8 goes in 1's table. Yes, 8 goes in 1's table 8 times. Multiply that 8 with the 3. 8 into 3 minus 8 goes in 8's table 1 time. Multiply that 17. 1 with the 17. Now you got 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 17 upon 8. Your answer is 7 upon 8. We have completed our exercise number 30. Thank you.